So yeah, here's all the various cryptocurrencies. I don't own any because this is how much I own. I don't own any because I can't own any with the service. So this is the terms of service, and it actually defines a lot of cryptocurrency terms if you want to look into it. This is the trading rules section. So staking is one method by which you could hold on to your cryptocurrencies and still earn rewards. So there's certain kinds of cryptocurrency that allow you to stake, others don't. Some that allow you to stake include Cardano, Cosmos, Solana, Ethereum, Tezos. Those are just a few examples. So here I'm playing around with the interface to give you an idea of how it works. So if you're in another state besides Texas, you can deposit and withdraw.